If you still do Excel work manually, you are wasting hours. In the next 5 minutes, I will show 5 Excel tricks that feel like magic. And once you learn them, you will never work the same way again. Let's start with the most mind blowing one. These are not basic tips, these are shortcuts professionals use every day. So, today we are going to see 5 wonderful Excel tips. In this, first one is flash fill. So, in this flash fill, the Excel learns the typing pattern of what you are entering and completes repetitive words automatically. See, for example, here names, some letters, and then some alphabetics are there. All the text are in the one cell. This we have to extract to as per our requirement. Pattern now we are entering 1 up to as per that. Remaining Excel will take automatically. Just I'm entering John dot Smith at 30. 30 is the age at company.com. So once you enter, now you can say Control E. By pressing the Control E, the same will repeat for the all the cells. We no need to type each and everything. Once the Control E entered, Excel understand the pattern and will do the for other cells also the same as per what pattern we given there. Just I am doing Control E. Yes, you can see all the names with the dot. That means first name and dot and last name, and I'm taken the age and I've given the as at company.com. Here you can give a gmail.com, anything you wish. This for example I'm showing you. Similarly for others, I'm entering the full name of the person. Again I'm pressing Control E. Just you can see everything will appear. Now here I'm entering the only first name. Control E. Now see there only the first name of the list is appearing in the respective cells. Similarly I'm doing now for the last name. Control E. Otherwise directly you can go to the data fill. Here also the pattern will come. So here I'm just entering 30. Again I'm going to data and then just clicking flash fill. It will do for blood group. Just I'm entering O positive, then data fill. So the data is visible. Just I'm formatting this table. This is the email. This is the name. The first name, last name, age, and then blood group. So the details were taken from the cells, which is all the information in the one cell, in the particular cells. So the details which easily be extracted to the individual cells. Just I'm color. So this is what the flash fills help us. Just you can see that Jhansi Rani 21, the age of them at gmail at company.com. The full name is Jhansi Rani, first name, last name, age, and then blood group. Everything we taken from the particular cell itself. For any work we done, we have to just validate. Next is we do the remove duplicates. Here in the data, there is the same data as repeats. Instead of manually checking and removing them, easily we can remove them by the options remove duplicates. First, here anything is the duplicate, just with that we can check it in the cell itself. That we check in the data, any duplicates are there. Just I'm checking is there any data is repeated. This data say 2 times is repeated. This also is repeating. I'm making a different color. So totally 3 duplicates are there. Same one name, two duplicates, another name, one duplicate. So totally 3 duplicates. So this how to remove. I'm selecting the columns, the data range, going to data, remove duplicates, select all and give OK. The 3 duplicates has been removed. The next, the Alt equal. By pressing these keys, instantly the sum formula will be enabled. Instead of selecting equal symbol and entering sum and selecting the range, instead of that, here I have 3 examples: cells 1, cells 2, cells 3, cells 4. Here just I'm entering alt equal, automatically the formulas appears and selected the cells. So just to validate this formula, I'm entering sum, just But in the range, yes, the two values are matching. So here again, alt equal, automatically the sum is calculated. Here again, alt equal, automatically the sum is calculated for the rows also. If here just we enter alt sum, the column it is been calculated. Instead of sum, if you want maximum, just you can enter the max. So then we can get the maximum value also. If you want minimum, you can enter the min minimum. You can get the minimum values. Or if you want average, replace with the average. Then we'll get the average value also. Here if you want standard deviation, you can replace the formula SDDV, standard deviation. So you will get the standard deviation also. That you can do it for any formulas. This will save you more time in your day-to-day activities. So next we'll see the XLOOKUP. So normally XLOOKUP, it helps to find the matching data from another table. We'll see with some examples. This is the reference cell data, table data. This is the live data. We have to pull the data from the table data. Here in the name XLOOKUP, reference cell, comma, list of ID number, comma. So we need name. So select list of name, comma, double quote. We will get the name. If you change the ID number there, in the reference cell, automatically the name also will change here. So for first name, again equal XLOOKUP, reference cell, comma, list of ID number, comma, list of first name, comma, double quote. So for last name equal XLOOKUP, open bracket, reference cell, comma, list of ID number, comma, list of last name, comma, double quote. Similarly for age equal XLOOKUP, reference cell, comma, list of ID number, comma, the list of age, comma, double quote. We got the age also. The blood group XLOOKUP, open bracket, reference cell, comma, list of ID numbers, comma, list of blood groups, comma, double quote. That's it. Then I will pull the data of email also. Typing XLOOKUP, open bracket, reference cell, comma, the list of ID number, reference cell, then list of email, comma, double quote. So close the bracket. See the email also is appearing now. So here now just entering the ID number, the details of the respective reference cells is appearing in the respective cells. You can check it up here. You can check it here 105. Same exactly. Just I'm coloring for identification. Yes. Name also matching, first name, last name, age also matching, blood group also matching, email also matching. Yes. So we'll check it up one more. For 1 on 10, I'm entering. I'm removing this color. I'm selecting the 1 on 10. This coloring. Yes, for and now just I'm checking the data. Yes, first name, last name, age, blood group, email also is matching exactly. So just I'm removing the color. So this is the If you enter any number, automatically the respective data will be pulled and to be displayed in the live data cell. We done the data validation also is correctly is matching. So now if you hide this table also, if you enter the ID number, the live table will show the details. The next is the drop down list. See here, to create a smart drop down list to prevent typing mistakes. So examples, say in the reference cells, if you are entering, type something different number other than the list. Say I am entering 1010, so nothing will show here in the live cells. Because the 1010 it is not in the list. So we could not know that what is in the list, correct? As a user, we could not know that because there is n number of data. So for that, we can make a drop down, go to data, data validation. In that select list, in that select the range, just select the ID number list, just enter this in the source. So now the drop down list is available. So from the drop down, you can select only the numbers, the ID number. What ID number is available, that particular ID number only will be available in the drop down. So as per just by selecting the number, the required information will available in the live cells. So easily we can take the data of that. So here also you can hide the data just changing in the numbers by in the drop down. Details are available in the live cells. So this is a smart Excel. So today we learned 5 wonderful Excel tips. First one is flash fill. Second one is a remove duplicates. Third one is alt equal key. Fourth one is XLOOKUP. Fifth one is drop down list. These 5 Excel tricks can save hours every week. Imagine what happens when you use them daily. Comment which tip surprised you the most. If you find this lesson useful, please like this video, subscribe to VSDL Excel Pro and comment below. Thank you for watching VSDL Excel Pro. I will see you in the next Excel lesson.